Square. We think smarter to simplify your life at work.
Leaders lead by examples. With a strong focus on safety, Vedanta Jharsuguda is committed to delivering sustainable and robust growth in hazardous energy isolation in order to build a safety-first culture. Our country's Lotto leader Dr. Nalini Gulati interviewed Mr. G. Paul and found that at Vedanta Jharsuguda, energy isolation is of paramount importance. Guided by the chairman's vision of imbibing zero harm as their organizational value, they are consistent and committed in their efforts towards making their operations safe for their employees, partners, and the community. Excerpts from the interview.
Good morning, Nalini. First of all, I would like to welcome you at Jharsuguda.
Thank you so much, sir.
If you see, Vedanta as a group has a very robust sustainability management system. We call it Vedanta Sustainability Assurance Program. And in Vedanta Sustainability Assurance Program, safety plays a very important element. And we have currently 16 safety standards, out of which 11 is applicable for Jharsuguda site, Jharsuguda locations.
Wow.
And for that, out of that 11, isolation is or lockout tagout, you can say, is the number one.
Wow.
So you can see how
Lockout tagout is
number one safety standard system in the whole Vedanta as a sustainability assurance program.
That's wonderful.
So you can see it's not from the only Vedanta Jharsuguda management sites, it is from the whole group, Vedanta group, as it's coming from our visionary chairman, who pays utmost importance that before production is the welfare and well-being of our people and our community. So this is where from it is being driven, and that's the way we are driving. We have our own lockout tagout framework, procedure and policies. And in fact, our lockout tagout is more upgraded. We now call it here Lotto V. Basically, every place you see, isolation is being known as Lotto, but we have moved ahead. We have named it to Lotto V. Now, why V is being added? Because though it is being silently being told and it is being trained, emphasized during the training process that up to do the lockout tagout, you need to verify the real or exact de-energization of the sources or isolation of the sources. But we wanted to make it very prominent and wanted to imbibe into the mind of each and every one. So we have added on a V, and our V is more prominent than the Lotto.
Right.
So tagout verification is very critical aspect. We have a procedure, we have a policy, as well as we have a protocol available for that. We isolate all sorts of energies. We are not, because again there is a misnomer. Basically, when you talk about the isolation, people mostly talk about the electrical isolation.
Absolutely.
Very commonly is the mistake we do. So in Vedanta, when we talk about isolation, we talk about Lotto V. It's applicable to each and every source of energy, which needs to be isolated and verified and de-energized before anyone is allowed to work on any equipment. As I have told that we have the Lotto process, basically we have gone up to the equipment level, machine specific equipment level isolations. We have identified each and every equipment, and that has been labeled, and then the Lotto V instruction has been developed on the basis of that equipment specific. If you talk to the people on the shop floor, now we feel how they see really the organizations what we are earlier talking about, that we value you, we care for you. Now they really understand what that care and values means and safety means. They see and they feel proud now to associate with us. If you go and interact with the people on the shop floor, there is a complete dramatic change, radical change in the behavior of the people. And we are seeing that change in their behavior. And now you go any point, any person who is authorized to an equipment, you will find they carry a personal lock, which was not there earlier. Now you'll find everybody is holding a lock in their body and carrying on doing the jobs. And now people will not carry out or is very, very confident not to carry out any job until unless he or she has put his or her personal lock, because they understood the lock, this red lock is not a lock, it is his or her own personal life. So that change what has happened, we are able to bring it. It's a cultural, they realize the benefit or the power of that simple one red lock. They realize that because of that, they feel that they are now empowered and they are taking the accountability of their own safety in their own hand. They are not ready to hand over that their life at the hand of their managers or their supervisor or anybody else. I think that's the change what has come. See how can we do better than where we are today. First and foremost thing, our plan is now to again do the gap analysis. Though we have put a good systems, but every system has also its own inherent or internal intrinsic deficiency. So we are now looking to identify those intrinsic deficiencies which is existing. Then after that gap analysis, we'll put a system and the action in place. We are planning for that. Also training and retraining, as I have highlighted earlier, for our people, so that people become more future focused and the system become more robust. We are thinking to also take the support of the expert organizations, like organizations like you, your organizations as the competent people, and we are really, really grateful to be associated with your organizations, because your organizations also helped us a lot in implementing. So we are trying to get associated with this type of organization. We are trying to bring more competent expert people, taking their advice and analyze and look. We are trying to look more internally and see what more we can do ourselves and how can we improve our the performance and go to the next level. So next level, we have a plan now more for training the people, upgrading their knowledge, creating more skill, the more experts into the system. Simple message: any source of energy, before you want to work on an equipment, please make sure that the source of energy is being completely isolated. Please verify before you feel sorry later on, because it doesn't make any sense to feel sorry just by trying to safeguard few minutes of time. So spend few more minutes, if required few more hours, because it is always worthwhile to spend hours than to lose a life. So that's the message. Message is very clear. Please ensure Lotto V is being implemented in true letter and spirit and being driven by the senior most management. I will say top management of the organization. It has to be driven by the top management of the organization. Then only the implementation of any program will be successful.